President Museveni emikolo gya leero agiguddewo na kutongoza eddwaliro ly'amagye Mbuya eryatandika okuzimbibwa mu 2018 ng'oggyeko ab'amagye. Eddwaliro lino era lyakujjanjaba n'abantu ba bulijjo ku nsimbi ensaamusaamu.
Any cause of death, you are welcome here. Instead of going to die in India and then they bring back when you are dead, no. Everything is here. So if it is cancer, there is a room for you. If it is, he was talking of cardiology, there is a place for you here. All the branches, he talked about them, ENT and so on. So I think this is very good for the army.
Emikolo emikulu gikwatiddwa ku kitebe kya minusa ebyokwerinda e Mbuya ng'eno gyetabiddwako abantu ba lubatu olw'okwerinda ekirwadde ki COVID-19.
The numbers on the guest list are way too low than usual, as the other activities we usually do, including parade. This is not to suggest that we value less those not in attendance from all walks of life, as we usually do. But because we are UPDF, Your Excellency, and we mind people's health and safety, we did it this way.
Pulezidenti asoose kusekerera abavuganya ekibiina kya NRM abaagala kukisiguukulula n'abategeeza nga bwe kitayiyeeyo bannayuganda mpeereza y'emirimu ekyo kifuula eky'amaanyi ennyo.
We have never let down anybody in his or her legitimate interests. Nobody. We have never let down anybody. Nobody can legitimately complain against NRM, say you let me down here. No. Yes, you can illegitimately complain, say you do not support my illegitimate interests. Then we shall say, yes, we didn't, because what you want is wrong.
Museveni era azzeemu okuvumirira ebyobufuzi ebyesigamizibwa ku mawanga.
Love Uganda. Moyo gwa Uganda. Yes, you have a tribe where you are born. You have a religion where you are baptized. But please, don't bring this into national affairs.
Museveni atenderezza omulimu amagye gwe gakoze mu kutebenkeza emirembe mu ggwanga wakati mu kusoomooza okw'ekitalo.
You have done your part by defending the country, even when you don't have all the things you need, but you are able to defend the country. That's what I was telling members of the judiciary the other day, that even if you don't have everything, because a poor man must also defend his home.
It is an army which has now developed all the human and technological capability to defend the people of Uganda, and therefore it is not a surprise that UPDF has taken the leading role in peacekeeping missions such as AMISOM in Somalia, and UPDF is also very active in regional defense security organizations such as the East African Standby Force.
Oluvannyuma President Museveni atongozza ebitabo ebyawandiikiddwa Major General Phinehas Katirima ne Kano Charles Kisembo era n'aweebwa n'ekirabo okuva mu Afrika Mashariki.
For yourselves, not to sound business.
Ng'emikolo emingi egize egitegekebwa mu kiseera kino ekya COVID-19 n'ogwaleero gubadde mu ngeri ya scientific era nga batono abayitiddwa mu tenti eno abajaasi kumpi abadde bava ku ddaala erya Kano n'okudda waggulu be babadde batuddemu. Olwaleero mpozi tewabaddewo kukumba kuno kw'amagye okumanyiddwa nga Goose March abangi kwe beesunga ennyo ku lunaku luno olwa Tarehe 6. Ali Mivule, NTV, ku ssaawa emu.